So, got a bit of a revving problem. It's pretty erratic revving. It's not constant, but yeah, it's pretty well all the time, but only after it warms up. It doesn't seem to do it when it's cold. And get the check engine light on every now and then while I'm driving. I replaced the throttle position sensor because I was told that's what it might be, but it seems to still do it, so give it a go. Pretty well does this a lot of the time while driving. Well, that's about it. Hopefully it's nothing too drastic. It'll be an easy fix or something. Thanks for watching.